All right, here we go. Good luck, StanS. About to get some balls of dragon cardboard or card game. No, it sounds like the casino that's down the street from me at the Hollywood Park. It's literally just table games and I guess card games and booze, I guess, and food. All right, Dragon Ball Super Card Game Power Absorbed SR box promotion. Each box contains a bonus super rare or special rare card. Stan S. He likes Dragon Balls.
Good luck, Stan. Hopefully, double secret rare.
Get that Android girl out of here.
Okay, you get a dog pack? You get a dog pack?
SR. What is this? SS3 Son Goku Universe at Stake. Like, I don't know what SS3 means. SSS.
Super Saiyan 3. And that's into Super Saiyan.
Okay. And what does Super Saiyan do? Super Saiyan? Saiyan?
SAAYAN?
Yeah.
Saiyan.
What does that do?
That's when they power up to that makes level.
Got a comment. Majin Buu, Budding Evil.
Something like a transformation.
Nice Goku. Oh man, I was watching a video. This dude had all 9 freaking. Was it 9? No. Oh, it does. That's right. I knew. I had all 9 Dragon Ball shoes.
Oh, shit. The release?
Yeah. SSG Son Goku. Common. Majin Buu Power Manifest. SR. That does. Forgot about that.
I think people just you just pull it all the way down on the right side.
The hell was that a foul on? SS4 Son Goku. Stygian Journey. Rare. Yeah. This is. Evil Aura Overflow Uncommon. I still don't understand where that foul was. Where's that foul at? Bolerator. Team Attacker. Bolerator? Common. Super 17 Onyx Lightning SR. Man, you can't see the artwork on there. There we go, finally. Commons. Any new loose stuff? I don't think so. Depends what you're looking for. Son Gohan, Daring Onslaught Rare. I want chicken wings. Fu Shemming Overlord, uncommon. I haven't chicken wings in a while. Mango habanero. Dende and Perunga, the Third Wish, common. And SR, Android 18 and Krillin, super powered spouses. He's a spouse? Oh, they're married. Okay. I thought he was a spouse.
Yeah, they're married.
So they make robot babies? Was it a robot? Oh, shit. Android 20, Vengeful Alliance. SS3, Son Goku, Universe at Stake. Look at that. You got 2 of them now. It does. Memphis Ball. Son Goku, Golden Dragon Fist. Rare. The mango habanero. No, they're not too spicy. Uncommons. SS Son Goku. Meijin Showdown. Like, so who's SS Son Goku and who's SS3 Son Goku?
StanS said it's a secret.
Yeah, I know. We want to hit that. What is that? God rare? 3 secret rares. Oh, it's 3 secret. Alternate art secret rare. Let's do it. Krillin. Acel Dance. So whose kid is he?
I don't think they showed a turn.
Oh. SS Vegeta. Common. Oh, look, they have a baby.
Yeah, that's what
I don't know where his father is. Where'd he go? Anilaza. Dimension Bender. Rare. When you lose days, what I got? That's right. I was supposed to create that Word document for you guys. Majin Buu, Buddy Nebo. Android 17 and Hellfighter 17 synchronized. SPR. Special rare. There's more special rares than there are super rares. That doesn't make it special.
that's less special rares and they're super rare.
SS4 Son Goku. Otherworldly Infiltrator. Gosh, my English. SS Vegeta. Indomitable Spirit. Indomitable. Everybody likes shiny stuff. Koi Curator? The Masterwork? That sounds perverted. Koi Curator. Foo! All according to plan. Rare. Yeah. Come on. SCR. Warriors of Universe 7 united as one.
That one looks dope. Like the main fight moves.
So this one's Vegeta. This one's Goku. Who's this one?
That's Goku.
This is Goku? Who's this one?
His son?
His son?
Gohan.
Gohan. That's Frieza.
Mm-hmm.
And this one?
Android.
Android.
16, 17, 18. One of them. Those are like the most powerful hero in the.
I thought Goku had blue hair.
Well, that's god level.
Oh. Android 21 mandatory gathering and boom! Android 21 full power counter SR.
Shit. That one's super shiny, Stan. Super shiny.
Just leave the other one.
That one might be an alt. Right?
Oh, gotcha. Android 18 for the sake of family and boom! SPR. Android 17, the move that turns the tide. Oh, we're gonna last SPR unless we get an SCR. Nope. Majin Buu. Absorption complete. So who are they trying to beat? Who are they fighting against? Each other or other people or
like different worlds.
Alright. And we got Cumber. Common. Anonymous. And that was the box. The waifu card. Yeah, sorry. Not a waifu card. I got waifu cards over there if you want to try one. All right, we got the Android 17, the move that turns the tide, SPR, uncommon. Warriors of Universe 7. Android, oh, this one, the waifu card. Android 21, full power counter, SR. Android 17 and Hellfighter 17 synchronized. SS3, Son Goku, Universe at Stake. Android 18 and Krillin, super powered sound spouses, sorry. Meijin Buu, Power Manifest, and Super 17 Onyx Lightning. Thank you, Stan. Appreciate it, senor.